what you're doing. Excuse me. I only understand full English words. I asked, what are you doing? Oh, I'm eating my cake. Summer, I want to show you something. Camera? I don't like being on camera. I meant come here. I want to show you something. Oh, you mean come here. Do you eat my candy? Jew, our friend? I don't see him coming to your room and eating your disgusting candies. Ugh. I mean, did you eat my candy? Oh, I didn't eat your candies that taste like trash. Let me check your school bag. Oh, you mean let me check your school bag. I thought you were talking about lemon. Anyways, yep, let me check your school bag. I think you're just too lazy, daisy, and crazy to say the whole word. Whatever. Oh, you mean whatever. Yup. Fine, then here's one for you. What does that even mean? It does mean something. Really? What? You will have to figure it out by yourself. And oops, my hand is telling the truth. I stole your candy. Slithering by. Lily, give me my candy. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Teeter, Peter.